Toru drifted away from his mother, scared, small, and all alone. He reached a place he didn't know, a world too big for his tiny steps. Ella wandered through the trees, curious, carefree, and kind. He saw a trembling shell, and his heart softened. With a gentle splash, he offered comfort. A stranger became a friend, one fruit at a time. They laughed, they splashed, they healed. That night, the little turtle slept, protected by a giant heart. And somewhere, a mother's heart ached in silence. A sound of laughter, a sound she knew by heart. And there he was, smiling, safe, not alone. A mother's tears flowed, but her heart sang again. Elo said nothing, but his heart felt full and empty all at once. Goodbyes don't always hurt. Sometimes they heal.